by the Orioles. So not even a first rounder. There's a 95 runs batted in. Still looking for his first big league hit.
32 homers that a lot of fans have really taken on to rooting for this team. It's just a youth. Youth, is that a word?
No. And there it is. There's his first big league hit. Ellsbury will fire it in. They'll ask for the baseball. So fly ball right field. Judge puts it away. But to a man, the Yankees will tell you we're thinking about catching the Red. It was all about launch angle.
Oh my!
You guys just didn't know that then.
Now you're getting me really confused.
Foul back. Cleveland beat KC 8-4 to start a new winning streak. One in a row. Hayes hits one deep to right field. Austin turns and looks, and see ya. A home run for the rookie. And the Orioles are on the board. Yankees 9, Orioles 2. First big league home run for Austin Hayes. He had 32 in the minors this year.